Hey guys, Varun Marathi here. I hope you all are fine. And as you all know, yesterday Apple released their first public beta for the iOS 16. And as you can see, I have the iPhone 13 over here and that is installed. So in this video, I'm going to just give you a quick run through how to get this installed on your own device. This is a disclosure, this is still a beta, so you need to understand that there might be some things which are not working. So right off the back, I'll let you know which apps are not working in my device. So any banking app is basically not running right now, so probably it will not run till there is an update which is coming in on that app later on. So I do have a Salesforce app in my device, which again it is not running, so that basically we'll have to wait till late fall when the actual update, official update comes up. So these are a few things which won't work, so this is a full disclosure. And as you can see, the lock screen, this new lock screen looks really beautiful on this Apple device. So let's just go in and I'll show you very quickly how to get this done. So you need to go in the Safari over here and you need to type beta.apple.com, right? And as you go over here, this is the website. You need to scroll down, and as you can see, these are the betas which are released. So it's iOS 16, iPadOS 16, macOS Ventura, etc, etc. So you need to click on this iOS 16 preview basically. So this will tell you what all is there, just to get the information before you actually install. This will actually tell you what all changes have happened. Just go through it, glance through it, so that you come to know what is the difference between both the applications. So this is where you actually get the entire filler of what is there in the beta application or in the iOS 16. So I would suggest you should just go through this. Now when you go back, this is where you need to go. You need to go into get started. So when you basically click on it, there will be a web page. You will need to sign in again, so let me do it. Okay, so this took some time to load. So as you can see, this is where the guide for public beta is. Again, I'll suggest that you should read whatever is written over here. And when you go down over here, this is again learn more, and this is the section which you need to look at, enroll your iOS device. So when you click on it, basically you will get into another page where it will actually tell you to archive a backup. So it is really important, guys. Even though nothing got deleted on my device, I would suggest that you take a backup so that nothing gets lost. As you know, there is no memory card on this iPhone, so you need all your data. You need to definitely back it up. So when you scroll down over here, this is the section which you need, which says download profile. So when you click on this, basically that profile will get downloaded. Now since I've already downloaded the device in this device, I'll not do it again, but I'll let you know the steps. So here you need to click allow, and once that has been done, you will have to go in the settings, and in this section over here you will see profile. So when you click on the profile, you will have to install it, and after installation is done, it will say that you need to restart the device. Even if you don't restart the device, that is fine. And once that has been done, once the profile has been installed, you need to go over here in the general section and you need to go in the software update. So when you do that, this is where that iOS 16 update will appear. As you can see, it is already installed in my device. It will be roughly around 6 GB, so it will take quite some time to install. And after you have installed it, this is how the iOS 16 public beta will get installed. And this is the first look. Basically nothing has changed over in the home screen section of it. There are nominal changes which are there in the lock screen, more or less over here. Lot many changes have happened in this, so you need to actually first unlock in order to do it. So when it is unlocked, you can change the lock screens, and also there are many features, so I'll make a separate video about it. This video was only about telling you how to install the public beta. Full disclosure, do it on just understand, if it's your main device, there might be a few bugs, but don't worry, since it is a public beta, majority of the bugs have been addressed, and I think that will definitely give you a flavor of the new Android 16 before it is actually released in the public. So yeah guys, this was the video. I hope you liked it. If you have any questions, you can write in the comments below, and I'll try to answer all of them. Basically this was a very quick rundown on how to install the iOS 16 on your device, and I hope you enjoy the new update, guys. Until next time, see you.